This video is sponsored by LaunchTech USA, solutions with the power to perform fast and accurate OEM-level diagnostics and repair. Visit LaunchTechUSA.com to learn more.
One of the first things taken out in a front-end collision is the radiator. If the car has an automatic transmission, chances are the radiator has a cooler for the transmission. When the vehicle is repaired, you will have to service or at least top off the transmission fluid. Most modern automatic transmissions need a specific amount of automatic transmission fluid to operate. If there is too much, the fluid can become aerated and not shift properly. If there is too little fluid, the transmission can slip and damage clutches and solenoids. But most late model vehicles no longer include a dipstick to check fluid levels and add fluid. There are plugs and ports on the transmission to drain and fill the fluid, but no markings. So how do you check levels and add fluid? The answer is a scan tool. To check the fluid level, most manufacturers recommend checking the internal temperature of the transmission using a scan tool first, like the X431 throttle. If you add fluid when it is too cold, there will be too much fluid when it gets warm. If you add fluid when it is too hot, there will not be enough fluid when it is cold. Also, some manufacturers have specific procedures to ensure the fluid is evenly distributed in the torque converter, valve body, cooler, and pan. Some procedures just require a test drive, while some require the use of a scan tool. Some late model transmissions might have an electronic dipstick that measures the level in the transmission. The only way to check the level is with a scan tool. This information could be a data PID or under special tests in the transmission control module. So the next time you get a front-end collision repair where the transmission cooler or radiator has been replaced, reach for your scan tool along with the funnel. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.